नमस्कार, मैं पायल जैन, फिटनेस एक्सपर्ट, योगा ट्रेनर, ट्रैक ऑन ड्रीम्स से इस अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस पर हम यानी ट्रैक ऑन ड्रीम्स लेके आ रहे हैं योगा से ही होगा। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं इस योग दिवस की।
हम स्टार्ट करेंगे बेसिक बिगनर पवन मुक्तासना सीरीज़, जिसको हम सूक्ष्म व्यायाम बोलते हैं। वील सिट इन आवर बेस पोजिशन, दैट इज़ दंडासना, एंड वील स्टार्ट विथ पादुंगली नमन, जिसको हम टोज बेंडिंग भी बोलते हैं। वील प्लेस आवर हैंड बिसाइड्स आवर हिप्स, लीन बैक अ लिटिल, यूजिंग आवर आर्म सपोर्ट एंड स्पाइन स्ट्रेट। अब हम सिर्फ टोज को स्ट्रेच करेंगे, स्लोली बैकवर्ड एंड फॉरवर्ड। Inhale as the toes move backward, exhale as the toes move forward. Remain in base position and we'll start with Golf Naman, that is ankle bending. Slowly move both the feet backward and forward. Try to stretch the feet forward to touch the floor. Hold for few seconds each position and come back. Now ankle rotation, that is golf chakra. Remain in base position. Slowly rotate the foot clockwise from the ankle 10 times and then repeat 10 times anti-clockwise. Focus on rotating the feet, not the knees. Inhale on the upward movement, exhale on the downward movement. Relax in base position. Keep the head and spine straight and start Janu Naman, knee bending. Start with right leg. Bend the knee, bringing the thigh near the chest, clasp the hands under the thigh, straighten the leg, pulling up the kneecap. Heel should be 10 cm off the floor. Practice 10 rounds from each leg. Inhale while straightening the leg, exhale while bending the leg. Relax and sit in the base position. Breathe in, breathe out. Now Ardha Titli Asana, that is half butterfly. Bend the right leg and place the right foot comfortably on left thigh. Place the right hand on top of the bent right knee. Hold the toes of right foot with the left hand. While breathing in, gently move the right knee up towards the chest. Breathing out, gently push the knees down and try to touch the floor. Trunk should not move. Repeat same with the other leg. Now bring both the legs in Purna Titli Asana, full butterfly. Bend the knees and bring the soles of the feet together. Clasp the feet with both the hands. Gently move the knees up and then down. Breathe normally. Slowly rotate your wrist clockwise and anti-clockwise. Arms and elbows should perfectly remain straight towards your shoulder. Deep inhale in, deep exhale out. Now elbow bending. Stretch the arm in front of your body at your shoulder level. Hand should be open with palm facing up. Inhale while straightening the arms. Exhale while bending the arms. Repeat this movement from both the hands. Relax and shoulder rotation. Place the fingers of the hands on the shoulder and back straight. Rotate and make a big circle. Inhale on upward stroke. Exhale on downward stroke. Now we'll start our neck movement. We'll stretch our neck by keeping our hands on the chest slightly stretched. First we'll go from front to back. 10 counts. After going from front to back, we'll move towards right to left. While going backwards, we'll inhale. While coming forward, we'll exhale. We'll repeat this movement for 10 times. Remaining in the same position with the eyes closed, slowly rotate the head downward to the right, backward, and then to the left side in a relaxed, smooth, circular movement. We'll rotate our neck clockwise 10 times and then anti-clockwise 10 times. Inhale as the head moves up, exhale as the head moves down. Now we'll twist our body with spinal movement. Hand upward, facing towards sky. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. Slowly twist to your right side. We'll hold till 10 counts and exhale. Repeat the same movement from left side. And relax in base position. Now we'll go for Nauka Sanchalasana, that is rowing the boat. Sit straight with both legs straight in front of the body. Imagine the action of a boat. Now keep your hand beside your chest, facing down. Breathe out and bend forward from your waist as far as comfortable, and you have to strengthen your arms. Breathe in, lean back as far as possible, taking your hand backwards towards your shoulder. Practice this 5 to 10 rounds and then we'll reverse the direction of a boat. While inhaling, we'll lean back. While exhaling, we'll go forward. And then relax. Relax and we'll go in Chakki Chalasana, that is churning the meal. Sit straight with the legs stretched out in front of your body. feet widely separated. Then interlock your fingers of both the hands and hold the arm out straight in front of your chest. Keep the arm straight, do not bend the elbows. Bend forward as far as possible and then lean back as far as possible on the backward swing. Try to move the body from your waist. Slowly forward and backward. One rotation in one round. Practice this 5 to 10 rounds clockwise and then same number of rounds anti-clockwise. Inhale while leaning back, exhale while moving forward. Repeat this movement with normal breathing. Inhale, exhale. Then sit back in Sukhasana and relax.
योग संबंधी और जानकारी के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहें। धन्यवाद।